Welcome to our Excel trainings. With a new feature in Microsoft, Excel 365, when we click on a cell, we can now color the row and column intersection of the cell we click on. With the focal feature added to the View menu, when we click, the row and column of the cell we click on is automatically marked. If you want, you can change the color here and change the marking color if you want. A very nice feature, a feature that comes in Excel 365 versions. If you want to activate this from the keyboard, or if you want to remove it when you activate it in this way, it will disappear when you click on the focuser again. If you want to activate it from the keyboard, it will change according to the language of Excel you are using after pressing the Alt key. Look at the View menu. Here we press WW, and our shortcut in the focal expression here is the E key. When you press E and enter, this will be automatically activated. If you want to remove this again, if you want to remove it from the keyboard, you can remove it by pressing Alt W, E, and enter. These features may change according to the wish you use. When you press the Alt key, press whatever key is in the View menu. For example, when you press W here and whatever key is in the focal expression and press enter, or when you press F here, see that this becomes active again. The focal feature is a feature that we started using in 365 versions and will soon come to all Excel 365 users. Now, when working with large tables, finding the place we clicked becomes very simple and easy in this way.